Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up DNS on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you'll be greeted by your main page and all the websites you have. But first you want to go and log into your account. So after logging in, you'll be seeing your dashboard right here and all the websites you have as well as their domains. So guys, as you can see right here on the official support Squarespace website, we can see how we can access the DNS settings and how to manage and add them. Basically guys, what we want to do first, as you can see in the steps right here, is open up the domains dashboard. So what we're going to be doing is go into our main page right here, and at the top of the screen next to dashboard we're going to have domains. So you're going to open up domains guys, and this is not going to open up this domains where you can see at the menu of all domains you have. I currently do not have any, so I cannot see any, but if you have yours and you have added them, they're going to be appearing right here. So all you need to do next guys is just click the domain name that you want to add and change for settings, and you want to click DNS in the side panel. So guys, basically after opening up the domain right here, you can go ahead and select DNS, and this is the menu and settings where you'll be able to change your DNS settings, add a DNS that you like to use, and so on, and it's easy as that. But yeah guys, basically that's all you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.